Go.
All right, so our factor tree and our factor T are both ways to find factors of a product. I gave you a product of 16 as an example. 16 can be broken down over here in the factor T, which is the one I want you to use first, so that you can list your factors in order. You start with 1. 1 times 16 gives you 16. You go down to 2. 2 times 8 gives you 16. 3 times nothing, so 3 is not a factor of 16. 4 times 4 gives you 16. 5 times nothing, so it is not a factor. 6 times nothing, it is not a factor. 7 times nothing, it is not a factor. And 8 times 2 is 16. Once we reached 8 times 2, it has repeated in the same fact family as 2 times 8. Once you get to the repeating number, you stop. If your number is on the right-hand side and it's now on the left-hand side, that is when you know you can stop if it repeats. Once you have this, you then list your factors. You can list them together. For 16, it's 1 times 16, 2 times 8, and then 4 with a star above it because it's 4 times 4. I get these from here. The way I would like to see it is for you to list your factors in numerical value order. 1, 2, 4, no more, move on over. 4, I don't have to repeat it. 8 and 16, which is right here. We now move over to our factor tree. Our factor tree is important because we are going to be working with prime and composite numbers. Okay, the P stands for prime. I want you to think of this as a primo. You have one primo.